After coaching over 100 people in the dropshipping field, I've noticed one common question everybody asks themselves, which prevents them from actually getting successful. This one simple question is the game changer from being successful and being unsuccessful. And it might be pretty surprising to you because it's pretty uncommon to say something against this topic. The question is this: would I personally buy this product? And this question you should never ask yourself. You should never ask yourself if you would buy the product, if you would buy from the store, if you would click on the ads. All of this is wrong, and the thinking behind it is completely off, all right? In this video, I'm going to explain to you why this is actually the case. First of all, in most cases, you're not even in the niche. So for example, if you don't own a cat and you want to sell something to cat owners, obviously you wouldn't click on the store, you wouldn't click on the ads, you wouldn't click on anything, and you maybe are just not into the niche, or you're not into the beauty niche, or whatever the niche you're not into, you cannot judge at all, all right? In the case where you actually are into the niche, obviously your opinion is a little bit more valid. I'm gonna give you this example to show you what exactly I mean, all right? Let's say you're into baseball, okay? You love baseball, you're super passionate about it, you even play baseball. And you wanna create a baseball store and find a product which you love. You would for sure buy the product, you're perfectly in the niche, you would buy the product, all right? But it has a couple of issues. Number one, the margins are terrible, all right? The product is way too expensive and it doesn't have a high perceived value. Number two, it just doesn't make sense that somebody buys two of that product, all right? Of this product only makes sense to buy once. Number three, there's no proven concept for this product. You can not find it in any other dropshipping store. Nobody's selling it currently on Facebook. And basically, nobody has this validation that this product actually does work in the market. And number four, there's no good clips on the whole entire internet for that product. So there's only like kind of low quality pictures, and you cannot take any videos from the internet to advertise your product, all right? So under all these circumstances, you should obviously not sell your product, even if you love that product and you're into baseball. And if the product would have great margins and the other things wouldn't fit, I would still not sell the product. And even if the product has great margins and strong upsell potential, but there's absolutely no proven concept, you as a beginner should never sell that product because the marketplace has to be accepting to the product, not you. The other scenario is if you hate the product and you're still into baseball, you hate the product, which is like in the baseball niche. However, it has amazing margins, it has strong upsell potential, it has really good videos to use for advertising. It has a super strong proven concept. It's not saturated yet. It's like from all the angles, it's a really, really strong product, all right? If all of this is a given, obviously you should sell the product even though you personally would not buy it because it was validated by the marketplace. Now, obviously there's way more things to account here, but you have to understand that you have to have a set of criteria when selecting a product and then only following that. Your personal opinion is not one of those criteria. Maybe in some cases, if you are in that audience, yes, it could be one little tiny thing, but it's for most people, this personal opinion is the biggest criteria, all right? They think, I like the product, I would buy it, I'm gonna sell it. And the same thing goes for offers and stores. In some cases, you would never buy the product for such a high price or such a low price, but the marketplace does. So you shouldn't ask yourself, would I buy this? You should ask yourself, how much are the competitors are selling it for right now, all right? If you see they're selling it for $30 or for $50, just do the exact same price because it doesn't make sense to try out your own things before and you would say, all right, but I actually have a shit ton of money, I would pay $100 for this. It doesn't make sense, okay? You should only look at the marketplace. Your personal opinion in most cases doesn't have room anywhere, all right? The copywriting, for example, you should focus more, again, on what other people have, on what people say in the reviews on Amazon, in the comments on Facebook. You have to check what the actual problems of them are and not what your problems could be in the niche, okay? So the main idea I want to convey to you here is your personal opinion doesn't matter. Only the opinion of the market actually matters. That's the main thing you should look out for. So first of all, it's really important to me that you actually subscribe to the channel because trust me, there's so much more valuable content coming up. And also the old previous videos, you should for sure check them out if you haven't done that yet. All right, so subscribe to the channel. And also, if you actually want to work with me one-on-one, what I'm actually doing right now, I'm giving away free consultation sessions with me personally. All right, we're gonna sit down and talk to each other and see how I can actually help you with your business and see which improvements I would do. Or if you don't have started your dropshipping store yet, then I'm gonna tell you what to do to actually get that started properly without like burning through a bunch of money. All right, so either click the link below or go to the website bernsteinconsultings.com, and yeah, see you in the free consultation session.